was asked to make a craft for young people, and we're going to make a Treearring today, and it's just it's like a little earring for a Treearring. But what it is just a little fish line with some mirrors on it. It catches the light from the sun, and it kind of sparkles around the yard. So let's go in and make one. Okay, so all you need first is just some regular fish line. And you're going to tie a knot in it so you have a pretty good loop at the top that's going to go over the branch. And then after that, you want to have it about maybe 20 inches long or so. If it gets too long, it'll blow and get all caught up in your branches. So we just try to have a nice little size here. So you're going to have your hot glue gun all ready to go, and just put some little, I have these little mirrors. You can get them at Hobby Lobby. There's square ones, there's circle ones. Also, you can decorate with beads, and the beads have a hole through them this way. And I also have some clear beads. You can get any kind of beads that you want with a hole in them to decorate. My hot glue is going. I would say children 8 years, younger than 8 years, would need supervision because this hot glue gun is really hot. So what I did is I turned some mirrors over, and the best way I found to do this is to have the mirror laying down. So you're going to put a little dot of glue on the one laying down, and then take your fish line, and don't do it right at the top by the knot, but just a couple inches down, and lay your line right into the middle of that glue. Can you see that? And then I'm just going to put my next mirror right on top of it and just kind of press it a little bit. So the first one is already looking like that. Okay, so we're just going to kind of add, and you can come up with any kind of a pattern you like. Sometimes it's fun to add a little color, so you can add beads or whatever you want to do. Let's just add a couple beads here. Alright, I'm going to loop through that bead so it stays in place. So I'm going through the bead one time and then back through the top and down again. That's just to hold that first bead in place. And maybe I'll put a little dot of glue right there. Again, if you're working with kids, young kids, be real careful with that glue gun. Okay, so I'm just going to add a blue flower bead. And then how about a yellow flower bead? And how about a purple one? Well, let's go back to blue. You can do any pattern that you want. Just whatever is fun. And I think I'll do another bead to finish that little pattern. And again, I want to loop through that bead. I want that bead to stay there. So I'm just going to go back through that hole. Whoops. Okay, back through the hole. And out the other side. And just to kind of keep it all together, I think I'm going to put a little dot of glue right there. Right on the end of the bead. Okay. And then maybe to finish it off, I should have another mirror. Okay, so I'm going to do a little dot of glue right there. I'm going to lay my fish line over the top. Okay, and then I'm going to put the other mirror right over that. And hold it for a minute. And look at how easy that is to make. I got some glue there. But then you just go out and hang that on your tree, and it catches all kinds of light. And you can make it any kind of pattern that you want, and you can buy the different kind of beads that you want. I'm going to show you just a couple other things that I hung a tree ring on outside too. So let's go back outside. So there's one. I just hung it off of my deck by my plants. That's kind of fun. Hot tub. And it catches light, and it just shoots little sparkles all over the cement. So those are some fun things to make and put around the yard.